Hi, this is Safiqulppc from Safiqulppc. In this video, I'm gonna cover track how to track WP form submission. Okay, so I have already set up everything. So just I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, I go to track, and then I set up the custom tag, which is Java configuration ID, yeah. And event name is WP form leads. You can input you as you wish. It's gonna be general leads or WP form submission, anything you can put here. Okay, I send the parameter, click ID, and if you want you can send, and if you want you can choose another ID also, and another parameters name. Up to you, it depends on you information needing. Okay, and trigger, it's custom trigger. Trigger event name is WP form submission, which is this. You can choose from here, or you can go to data layer also. This data layer variables and event. This is the event. Okay, you can choose from here also. Okay, and I copy from this section and input here, and some custom events. All events also working because the WP form submission is only single events. That's why this is no any issue. Here is event equals WP form submission and save, and then I go to the preview section. You go to preview, and how to fire it I just show you. Okay, connect and go to the website, go to contact and fill up the form here first, and just submit, and go to debug view. Here it is, WP form submission. This tag is fired. Okay, and yeah, here is working. Now I go to analytics, just confirm that GTM sent the information to analytics 4. Okay, here is my analytics debug view. This is the event is fired here, this WP form leads. Okay, just now I gonna check the event ID is okay or not. Okay, WP form 6. Okay, this is the things how you can track your WP forms. Okay, thank you very much for watching video.